Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be working with the March 2025 Paper Pumpkin, the Daisy Daydream kit. This is what the kit originally makes, and it came in this beautiful box. We're going to be making an alternate card, and I'm going to be showing you two other alternates that I made before the video, okay? So let's get started with some buzzworthy business of the day. We have our Inked Occasions Paper Pumpkin Kit. 9 cards is what it's going to make. Berry Burst is the classic stamping spot. And we have our Hugs the Bloom Dies add-on for $12. The item number is 166238, and this coordinates with April, May, and June Paper Pumpkin Kits. And I have a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the Paper Pumpkin if you haven't already done so. March host code. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this host code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up. And I don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies. Next, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of new and used, all retired Stampin' Up products. I'm asking just $30 for each box. Shipping is included in that price. If you're interested, email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com, okay? And that is all of our buzzworthy business for today. So let's go ahead and get started on our project. So I have a full card base here from the kit. This is the nice yellow blotchy one. And we're going to take a piece of soft sea foam. And this is 1 3/4 by 5 1/2. And we're going to stamp on this. And we're going to use the sentiment Sweetest Birthday Wishes. That is from the Daisy Daydream stamp set. Because remember, this kit came with two stamp sets. Oh my goodness. So let me see. I want to put this here because I want to make sure I get this sort of kind of in the middle. Sort of kind of in the middle here. Just like that. And I am. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I wanted to stamp on here some background things, but I don't think I'm going to do it. Okay. So next thing we're going to do is get some soft sea foam ink and a blending brush. I have a mini blending brush here, one of the small ones. And we're going to just put a little ink on the inside. Let me see. Get some of this ink off on some scrap paper. And I just want to lightly put some of this ink right here in the corner. And we're doing this because this is how I'm going to decorate the inside of my card. Okay, so we have, I need to make it a kind of big because I'm putting something over it and I want it to be able to show around it. So what we're going to do is just add a pretty little flower on the inside. So one of the flowers that was used to layer on one of the cards, we're just going to glue this flat on the inside of our card here. So I wanted it to stand out from that white background. So that's why we put the little soft sea foam on the inside. I don't know why I closed this up. So now we're going to take this piece and glue it down to our card base. I was looking because I thought I stamped on the wrong side of the paper. So we're going to put this, try to go in the middle. That's about even, I think. Then we're going to get some Stampin' Dimensionals. We still have some left over from the kit, but I want to use some bigger dimensionals, I do believe. And I have 2 of these little curved pieces with the flowers and the vines or leaves. And we're going to, I want to put that on the flower. Okay, and then we're going to add these to the card. Just removing the backings to the dimensionals first, of course, or it won't stick. So this time, when I make something with these flowers, I'm going to try to get it right. So I want to put it in the middle and make sure I don't go above the top. And I don't want to put it over the sides. So I'm going to do the same thing with this one. I'm going to turn it here, make sure it doesn't go below. We're going to get it just like that. So this is similar to one of the cards that was intended by the kit, but I changed the card base, added a piece of paper here, and then we're going to embellish this with, I do believe, the faux glass dots. I do believe these are still available. If they're not, I apologize. I should have checked before I started my video, but I didn't. So this has some mossy meadow and wild wheat in it, and the wild wheat looks close enough to the wait, should I use wild wheat or the mossy meadow? I think I want to let's use the wild wheat. I want to put a couple of these on here. Ooh. Because this kit did not come with any embellishments, I had to try to get my own, see what I wanted to do here. I think I want to use a small one. Let's use a small one. And I'm going to put that right there. Do I like that? I don't like it. I don't know. We're going to leave it. But I'm going to get some Wink of Stella, and I'm going to color just the centers of all the flowers because I think they need some glimmer. And that is our project done. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. It's so simple, but that soft seafoam really makes it pop to me. Okay, I almost forgot. This is my other alternate. Oh goodness. All this was I cut the card front off and added it to some mossy metal card base. And this is what I did to the inside. I stamped the little honeybee from the stamp set. Okay. I added some earth tone shimmer gems here. And Wink of Stella the flowers. So not much difference, but it is an alternate. And then almost on the same note as that card, it's the same card front I used on this one. But what I did differently, I used different sentiment labels, different sentiment. I used the vellum, and I put Wink of Stella on that vellum. I popped that up. I have one of the little honeycomb pieces here with the honeybee there. I popped up only 3 of the flowers. On the original card, all of the flowers were popped up. And what else did I do? Wink of Stella on the bee wings and everything. Yep. I did, this is at 5 1/4 by 4. Mossy meadow in the background is 5 3/8 by 4 1/8. On thick basic white cardstock on the inside, mossy meadow 5 by 3 3/4. Basic white 3 1/2 by 4 3/4. A 1/2 inch strip of another card. The back of this side, back of this card. Oh my goodness. So yeah. Okay, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.